Keep the hope alive, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspirational phrase, keep the hope alive. This phrase carries a powerful message of optimism and persistence, and in this video, we're going to explore its meaning, usage, and how it can be applied in our everyday conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started. At its core, keep the hope alive is an encouragement to continue believing that a positive outcome is possible, even in difficult times. It's about maintaining a sense of optimism and not giving up, despite challenges or setbacks. This phrase is often used in motivational speeches, during difficult personal times, or in situations where the future seems uncertain but there's a determination to stay positive. Why is hope so important? Hope is a driving force that keeps us moving forward. It's what fuels our ambition, goals, and dreams. When we keep the hope alive, we're essentially saying that we choose to focus on the potential for good outcomes, rather than succumbing to despair or negativity. This mindset can be incredibly powerful, influencing not just our personal well-being, but also how we interact with others and face life's challenges. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal speeches. Here are a few examples. Encouraging a friend who is going through a tough time. I know things are hard right now, but keep the hope alive. Things will get better. In a motivational speech, as we face these challenges, we must keep the hope alive. Together, we can overcome anything. Reflecting on personal goals. Despite the setbacks, I'm keeping the hope alive that I'll achieve my dreams. Keep the hope alive is a theme that appears in many forms of literature and media, from books and movies to songs and speeches. It's a universal message that resonates across cultures and languages, reminding us of the human capacity for resilience and optimism. By recognizing these examples, learners can better understand how the phrase is used in various narratives to inspire and motivate. Keep the hope alive is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset, a mantra, and a call to action. It reminds us that no matter the obstacles we face, there is always a reason to believe in a brighter tomorrow. We hope this video has inspired you to not only understand the phrase better but to also apply its message in your life. Remember, keeping hope alive is a choice that can lead to positive changes and outcomes. Thank you for watching, and keep the hope alive in your journey of learning English. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep the hope alive. Goodbye for now.